Hey everybody, good night. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So I went to Marshall's and I got picked up some stuff. I want to show you guys what I got. If you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Spooky items. I got the skull and the roses. I'm here just for the booze. I got the little ghost back there. I don't know what else. I love the spooky season. My favorite time of the year. Anyways, I went to Marshall's and I couldn't believe some of these items that I did get. But I'm going to show them with you, share them with you, give you my recommendations. I know everybody has their opinions about makeup and stuff from Marshall's and TJ Maxx, whatever. I'll always buy makeup from anywhere as long as it's good quality, and if not, you live and you learn. So the first item I got was this Nerissa-ABWKKIBM palette. I wanted this palette for a while, but I just don't want to spend the money for it. So I saw it at Marshall's. I picked it up. But unfortunately, this one that I picked up, I opened one up to look at it, and I should have just taken that one. This one got busted right there, and it kind of spilled everywhere. But I do like these colors in it. I do like these types of colors. That's why I'm always drawn to like these purpley types of colors. So I'm sure it will still work well. It just sucked that it was busted. This I think was like 10 bucks, so it was worth the price compared to whatever it is on the website. And that's the good thing about Marshall's and TJ Maxx and whatever discount stores. You can get good makeup for cheap. I did get this palette right here. It's a BH Cosmetics palette. Do Not Disturb. Colors in here are also very pretty. I do like these kinds of colors. This is gonna go in a giveaway eventually. I do have to clean it up. I apologize. It's just because when the pink color of this busted, it went onto everything that I'm about to show you guys. The next item I got was by Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty. I love Rihanna's products. I am very for all her products. I have some of her makeup, her foundation, and some other things I did buy from her, and I really do enjoy her products. So I believe this was $7.99. It's a highlighter palette. I like it because these colors will look really good on my skin tone. Here it is here. It's a gold and like a fuchsia color. Very, very pretty. It's called Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Yeah, definitely very, very pretty. And again, these are like brand name items. Never been touched or anything. I usually always open the packaging before I look at it, and I put it back if it's been touched or anything like that. Now the next items, I couldn't believe that I got them. And they're a bunch of brushes. And they all range from $3.99 to $4.99. I don't think I paid more than $4 for these brushes. The first brush I'm going to show you is a Jaclyn Morphe X brush, and it was $3.99. I like all of Jaclyn Hill's brushes. They're really, really good brushes. She's you know, a big staple in the beauty industry, so like I would follow her because I like to see how she does her makeup and, you know, the tools that she uses and things like that ever since like her earlier videos and stuff. But I do have a lot of Morphe brushes, and I do like the way they perform, so I would buy this, and I wanted to buy it to try it too. I do have her brushes somewhere in this room, and that brush was $3.99. Now all the other brushes I got, I don't know if these are mispriced or what. I got all these Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes here. These are all $20 and up at least. And I can't believe I got these brushes for as cheap as I did. This is a oval foundation brush. I got it for $4.99. Very nice. This is a medium shadow brush, and I paid also $4.99 for it. Those are good for packing on your shadow onto your eyes. And this is another cream shadow brush. You can use this, or you can also use it in your crease as well. $3.99, cheaper. This one is a dual-ended brush. This is good for when you want to get into those little corners, and it has the other flat edge. Probably you can also use this to do any kind of like liner, or even you can even use it on your brows. $2.99. This is a diffuser brush. I believe you can also use this for blending. ABH A10, and this was $4.99 as well. And then the last brush I got was a Japanese brush. I used this for buff and blend. I wanted another kind of like a nice fluffy brush. And then this one was on clearance for $4.50. So that was everything I got in my little Marshalls haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm sorry, like, look, everything's pink because that shadow busted. I gotta wipe off everything in this bag. But before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Thank you, Every Birdie, for coming back to my channel. I hope you guys will have a great evening, and I'll see you soon. Bye.